Welcome to this guided meditation on spiritually connecting to your guardian angel. I'd like to invite you to make yourself comfortable and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath and let go of any tension as you feel yourself sinking into the surface you're resting on, becoming still more comfortable and relaxed. Take another slow, deep breath and release your thoughts, letting them drift far away. And take another slow, deep breath and know that in this moment, all is well. I'd like to invite you to consider a time when you first met someone who was important to you and the circumstances around that meeting. Imagine a kind and loving presence there with you, standing by, making sure this meeting took place. Your guardian angel was there, pulling strings, making arrangements, and orchestrating all the events necessary to bring you together with that person. Notice the feeling of divine intervention, the blessing surrounding that meeting from on high. Consider a time when you made a decision that had a positive impact on your life. And remember the feeling of knowing you needed to do this. Imagine your guardian angel there with you, brightening your awareness, helping you focus on what mattered most, ensuring you made the best decision possible. Your angel could see far down the road and knew what you needed. And he or she was right there with you, making sure you were headed in the right direction. Consider one time in your life when circumstances led you to something special you wanted or needed, perhaps without even knowing you needed it beforehand. See your guardian angel there, coordinating the events, standing by, making sure that things fell your way so that you would receive exactly what you needed just when you needed it. And consider a time when you were concerned and uncertain about something, perhaps about yourself or someone near to you, and prayed for help. Envision your guardian angel at your side, hearing your prayers and taking them directly to God on your behalf. Whatever the outcome of that situation, know that your angel was there for you, helping to ensure that God's will was delivered. your guardian angel has been right there with you from the moment you were born, has stayed by your side, and will continue to assist you throughout your life. He or she is a faithful servant, born of God's love, and devoted entirely to helping you for your highest good. And your guardian angel is with you right now, right in front of you. Your angel knows you seek a deeper connection with them and is projecting their image and their presence into your higher mind so that you might know them more closely. Without stress or strain, simply relax into your heart and allow your imagination to be set free. Let whatever images come before you and appear in your mind's eye without trying to modify or change what you see. Ask your angel to show their face and just breathe, relax, and envision. Whatever does or doesn't come up in your mind's eye is just fine. Simply open and allow yourself to freely see. Let whatever comes into your mind be real for you, and allow it to fill in and become richer. Even if you see nothing at all, continue to hold your focus and be open. This is a practice of receiving from the divine. There's no way to fail, because all you need to do is be open and patiently wait. Do this for a few moments now. Continue to hold your focus as you bow your head slightly forward as you take a moment to give thanks to God for your guardian angel. Hold out your hands before you and feel your angel touching you, sending you a gentle wave of loving energy. Take some time to open, breathe, and receive. If there's anywhere within your body that hurts or needs healing, ask your guardian angel to send God's love and healing energy there now. Your guardian angel is networked with all the angels, saints, and others throughout heaven. Ask your guardian angel to bring another being into your presence now to connect with you in love. This may be someone you know or wish to know better, or someone new to assist you through the next stage of your journey. You may ask for someone specific, or allow your guardian angel to bring you whomever would be best for you right now. Take some time to breathe, open your awareness, and receive your visitor now. Now ask your guardian angel to take a message of love or healing from you to someone you know. Tell your angel what you'd like to convey and give them a moment to deliver that message from your heart to the heart of your friend or loved one now. Ask your guardian angel if they have carried any message for you in return. Ask your guardian angel to bring a blessing of love and healing from on high directly into your room now. See and feel your room filling with heavenly light, a beautiful scent, and a wonderful feeling of love and peace. Take a moment to allow this experience to expand as you simply receive love from above. You've asked your guardian angel to assist you in many ways today, and in doing so, you've grown closer to them in spirit. Take a moment to open your heart as wide as you can and be in a state of loving gratitude with your guardian angel now. Feel God's love pouring from their heart into yours and receive. Cast your mind forward in time as you envision your guardian angel standing by you, protecting you, and serving you with God's love day after day and night after night for the rest of your life. Imagine yourself opening more and more to your angel's presence. Ask that you might be helped to notice all the miracles, large and small, being delivered to you in perfect timing. It will soon be time to bring this inner journey to a close. But first, take a moment to envision your angel before you one more time and see, feel, hear, or simply know of their presence there with you. Thank your guardian angel for their blessing and give them yours. Now bring your awareness gently back to your physical surroundings. Take your time. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling awake, alert, and refreshed. Until next time.